Alright, so looking at yesterday's worksheet, number 2, part C, trapezoidal sum, 6 subdivisions, or subintervals, or 6 trapezoids, sort of however you want to phrase that. Looking, there's 7 values there, but that means there's 6 regions, or subregions, or subintervals, or subdivisions, however you want to phrase that. There's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 regions there. So this symbol means find the area under the curve from 0 to 24 using a trapezoidal sum. Area of a trapezoid is width times average height. So that's just a little side note reminder to myself there. So I need to add up all of those trapezoids. So the area is approximately, see, width is the first one is 3, and then I want to use the average of the two heights. So 7.5 plus 9 over 2. That would be my first trapezoid. My second trapezoid has a width of 5, and the average height is 9 plus 9.3 over 2. And then my third trapezoid has a width of 5 from 8 to 13. And average height would be 9.3 plus 9.5 over 2. And then my fourth trapezoid has a width of 3, average height 9.5 plus 8.8 over 2. And I'm out of pretty colors, so I'll just switch to black. Next one has a width of 6, 8.8 plus 8 over 2. And then the last one has a width of 2, average height 8 plus 7.2 over 2. And I would leave that as my answer because I don't want to type all that into the calculator because that's a lot of keystrokes in the calculator, parentheses and divisions, and yeah, leave it. Safe stop. We're good. Other questions from that worksheet? Okay, so we should be pretty good now with a sum from the left. So a left-hand rectangle, start on the left hand of the interval and move over. A right-hand rectangle, so we start at the right-hand side and move over. Then we did a midpoint, so instead of the left or the right, we take the middle height and do the rectangle there. And then we did the trapezoids like the one we just did. So those are 4 different ways to estimate the area under a curve. Today we're going to look at not estimating an area, but getting an exact area. And because it's an exact area, the shapes are going to be sort of rigged to work. So the shapes will be familiar shapes. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to do it. Like these graphs that are 4 minus x squared. Like I don't know how to find the exact area of that. So today we'll be finding exact area, but they're kind of rigged problems because all the shapes will be familiar shapes.